Hello, Education 555, and I hope that you have had a great week. I know that several of you will be ramping up soon to get ready for a new school year. I'm sure you're with me and feeling that the summer went by very quickly, and I'm just glad that we got to finish this course together as we look at trends and issues in K 12 education. It's been a lot of fun learning with you and want to keep it going. So let's check out our content for the week. We will be starting module number 6, Issue Trend Position Development. This week's essential question is, what do you believe? And the required reading will be on your chosen topic. You may use this information if you wish. You may also find your own resources. And the topics this week that I would like you to focus on for your personal position statements, your last one of those are English language learners, STEM, education savings accounts, teacher leadership, and game-based learning. The first learning activity is the personal position statement number 3. Make sure that you are using the rubric to see what I'm going to be grading on. Also, those assignment exemplars are very helpful in the course information information section. This is due on Saturday at midnight. Your personal position statement. You're going to put it 2 places again. Upload it once to this assignment, Saturday at midnight, and then you'll see the next thing is to also copy and paste it into this discussion, Saturday at midnight, putting that, and then responding to your classmates by Sunday at midnight, 2 of those as well. Last assignment for section module 6 is thinking about the issues and trends that we studied during modules 3, 5, and 6. I want you to answer those bullet points there. Make sure that you have at least one reference in APA format. Your initial response is due by Wednesday at midnight. Responses to your classmates are due by Sunday at midnight. And then the questions, anyone. Also wanted to look ahead. You will notice that when this course is given in the summer, modules 7 and 8 happen in the same week, August 13th through the 19th. And they're all focused on your final project. So I want to take a quick peek at that. You'll have essential questions. You'll have a discussion in Module 7, which is focused on a current event. And then your final project is really the only assignment. That is due on Wednesday, August 15. So make sure that you are looking through this, that you are working on it, and checking with me if you have any questions. And if we do a quick peek at Module 8, you'll notice that it's made up of the course evaluation, and then 8.1 is posting your final project, and 8.2 is a follow-up discussion. So big thing to be working on are the things in Module 6, and then also your final project. If you have any questions or need anything at all, just remember I'm an email away. Have a great week, everybody.